Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with Research Methodology 1, chapter number 1 as we have started. Now, today's our topic is idea of terms, concept, construct and definition. It is given in our syllabus to explain these terms. So, let us firstly start with the term concept. What is the meaning of concept? Concept is a generally accepted and understood collection of meanings and characteristics associated with certain events, objects, condition, situation, people or behavior. Means whatever characteristics generally we are accepting for a particular subject or for a particular people or for anything, it becomes our concept. मतलब हम सब जिसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं विद अ पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, हम सब लोग मानते हैं दैट यस दिस आर द पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन और ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट और एनीथिंग, then it becomes our concept. For example, we are continuously saying word exhibition. Now we all know what is exhibition. Exhibition क्या होता है? मतलब जहाँ पे अलग अलग स्टॉल लगे होते हैं, जहाँ पे अलग अलग चीज़ें बेची जाती हैं अंडर वन रूफ फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर यू कैन से दैट कंसेप्ट. कोई भी एक चीज़ के लिए वहाँ पे अगर कोई भी एग्जीबिशन लगा है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग स्टॉल हैं, अलग अलग चीज़ें बेची जा रही हैं, देन वी नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज़ एग्जीबिशन. तो ये हमारा जनरली एक्सेप्टेबल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, जहाँ पे हम सोचते हैं अलग अलग दुकानें होंगी और चीज़ें बेची जा रही हैं, हमने एक्सेप्ट किया, दैन इट बिकम्स द कंसेप्ट. Then we all know what is college. College, that is again is a one roof where different year is to be studied by the student, where first year, second year, third year is there, and if you want to do the higher studies, then higher studies also will be done after the bachelor degree. Then what is this? This is a generally acceptable characteristics by us regarding the concept of college. जब हम कोई भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जनरली एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, दैन इट बिकम्स द कंसेप्ट. You can take the different examples also, like we have heard the word multiplex. We all know what is multiplex, what is TV, what is telephone, what is mobile. So see, these are the certain words, or we can say that generally we are using so many things, but all the characteristics are same related to particular subjects and we all accept it. So when we all accept that characteristics, it becomes our concept. Now from where we are receiving this different concept, हमें ये concept कहाँ कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Under that, number one is common experience and share usage. That means हमें जो common experience होते हैं as well as when it is shared by our parents, by our relatives, by our friends, at that time it becomes our source. Take for example, we are as we have said that we know the word college and multiplex. Now it is your experience. You came to college, you have studied first year and second year, then it becomes your experience that yes, this is a roof of college. In the same way, so many times you have visited multiplex, so you know very well what is multiplex. Under a one roof again you get all the things, that is where theater is there, then where different shops are there, then it becomes your multiplex. Then number 2, concepts are borrowed from the other languages. See, many terms are borrowed from other languages and they became concept in our language. For example, many Gujarati words are originally Persian or Arabic or English or Sanskrit words. So it becomes our actually language. or our words, we are accepting it. Words like we can say that guru, bazaar, these are actually original Hindi words. Again repeating, certain words like bazaar, karishma, guru, these words are Hindi or Persian words, but we are accepting it in English also. So we can say that these are the certain words which are borrowed from the other languages and it is used as a concept. Then number 3, concept borrowed from the other disciplines. Disciplines, that means subject. We have already learned this in second year, the word discipline. Discipline, that means subject. Means certain concepts are there which are borrowed from the other subjects. For example, elasticity and velocity are concept of physics. But in economics also we are using, that is price, elasticity of demand as well as velocity of money. Similarly, leverage is originally terminology of physics or engineering. We have learned this word leverage in the second year. These are the words of physics or engineering, but we are using it in financial management. In the other same way, you can say that human resources accounting. Now this is the word of human resource management, but nowadays accounting is also done with the human resource. So we are using this term into the human resource management, but accounting is a word of accounts. The full word we are using, human resources accounting. So in the same way, there are so many words which derive from the other subject, but we are accepting it and using it into the other subjects also. And last one is jargons and terminologies of particular disciplines. Jargons, that is you can say that heavy words which we are using from the different subjects. Jargons from the other subjects, that jargons, that is heavy words. Terminologies, that is different words of the other subjects we are using here. For example, certain words are there, short forms are there like STP. STP full form is what? Segmentation, target, marketing and positioning. This word is actually used in marketing as well as it is used in the service also, and it is used everywhere. In the same way, we are using word MRP. What is the full form of MRP? That is maximum retail price. We are using it everywhere on every product. In the same way, promotion. Promotion word is not only used in the marketing, but it is used into the different subject also. So here we can conclude that concept is what? Concept is a generally acceptable characteristics of a particular subject, object or condition which is acceptable by majority of the people. Now let us move to the next point. Construct. What is a construct? A construct is an image or idea specially invented for a given study of research, and we build construct by combining simple concept. Concept, that is हम उसको build करते हैं by different characteristics. In generally, if in our language we want to say then what is an image or an idea, so you can specifically say that it's a one plan which you are actually going through. आप यहाँ पे सोचते हैं कि आप कैसा काम करेंगे. फर्स्टली यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस, देन सेकंड, देन थर्ड, देन फोर्थ. दैट इज़ व्हाट एक्चुअली अ इमेज और आइडिया विच यू सोचा कि आप ये प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करोगे. दैन यू हैव थिंक दैट आप इनके थ्रू ये डेटा कलेक्ट करवाओगे. नंबर 3, यू हैव डिफाइंड दैट ही और शी इज़ गोइंग टू डू द एनालिसिस. ये पर्सन इसका एनालिसिस करेगा एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू रीच टू कंक्लूजन. दिस इज़ व्हाट एन इमेज एंड आइडिया. आपने यहाँ पे पूरा आइडिया बना के रखा है दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू द वर्क. दैट इज नोन एज एक्चुअली द कंस्ट्रक्ट. यू कैन से दैट इट्स अ वन काइंड ऑफ प्लान एंड दैट प्लान इज एक्चुअली कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय कंबाइनिंग दी सिंपल वर्ड्स. अलग अलग जो वर्ड्स हैं आपने उसके थ्रू इसको कंबाइन किया है. इन शॉर्ट, See, whatever words we are using is a concept only, and we are using these words into our plan. Then it becomes the construct. Then next is definition. Now what is definition? See, whenever this word comes in our mind, then we realize that when exit line to line, word to words are there, that is definition. But actually there are two types of definition. In avoid to avoid to confusion regarding concept, definitions are formed. हमें पता नहीं होता है कि कंसेप्ट क्या होता है, उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए डेफिनेशंस आर framed. So there are two types of definition. Number one is dictionary definition. Number two is operational definition. Let us start firstly with the dictionary definition. What is a dictionary definition? Dictionary definitions are simple and general. Actually, these are the narrations, and often it is given in the form of synonyms. Means what? जो भी चीज़ें नरेशन के फॉर्म में दी हैं और जिसके सिनोनिम्स के साथ भी दिया है, इट बिकम्स आवर डिक्शनरी और टेक्स्ट बुक डेफिनेशन. सी वेन एवर यू ओपन एनी डिक्शनरी, आप जब भी डिक्शनरी खोलो टू फाइंड आउट एनी वर्ड, तो वो वर्ड के सामने पहले उसका नरेशन दिया होता है, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया होता है दैट व्हाट अ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड इज, एंड विद दैट सर्टेन सिनोनिम्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन दैट दिस वर्ड इज हैविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग. सो dictionary meaning gives you the narration as well as the synonyms. It doesn't go word by word. Then it becomes the dictionary or textbook definition. When you go word to word and line to line, at that time it becomes the operational definition. Take for example, when we are taking certain definitions given by certain authors, whenever it is given in our any chapter, whenever it is given regarding syllables, and when we are using different lines word to word, at that time it becomes operational definition. So what is dictionary definition? Which is given with the narration, that is with the explanation as well as with certain synonyms. You can check into your dictionary also, certain narration will be given as well as certain synonyms will be given. But when you are going word to word and line to line, then it becomes the operational definition, and operational definitions are actually given by certain authors. So here we are concluding our today's session with the concept, construct and definition. In the next video we will go with the next topic. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.